Hello and welcome to this lesson. Today we will be looking at types of sentences. The lesson objectives are that by the end of this lesson, you will be able to define a sentence and also identify the four types of sentences when used in a paragraph. First, what is a sentence? A sentence is a set of words that is complete in itself and it conveys a message or a meaning. For example, number 1. Mary, bananas, play, come, cook, is, right. Well, this is a set of words. But what are they saying? What do you understand by all these words together? When you look back, we will not be able to find the meaning from this set of words. So it is not a sentence. It may look like a sentence, but it has no meaning. And although it is ending with a full stop, it is still not a complete sentence because it lacks meaning. Let's look at number 2. Mary bought bananas. There's a meaning in this sentence. We can tell what happened, so it is a sentence. Autoline and the Yellow Cat is a very interesting book to read. Again, there is a meaning in this sentence. We know exactly what the sentence is talking about, and we understand. So it is a correct sentence. Number 4. Come here. Well, these are only 2 words. And yes, it is a sentence because you can tell what the sentence is telling you to do. It is telling you to come here, and that gives it the meaning. Now, I know that you understand what a sentence is. Now we're going to look at the different types of sentences. And we know that there are 4 types of sentences. The first type of sentence are called the declarative sentences. 2. Imperative sentences. 3. Interrogatory sentences. And 4. Exclamatory sentences. Now we're going to look at each one of them at a time. We're going to start with the declarative sentences. A declarative sentence is a statement that tells us something, and it always ends with a full stop. It is a statement telling us something, and it ends with a full stop. For example, we did not go to school. Full stop. This is Mr. Monroe. Full stop. We have an excellent collection of lapdogs. Full stop. All these are examples of declarative statements. Number 2. Imperative sentences. An imperative sentence tells someone something to do. It can be a command or a request. It is going to tell you what to do, like a command or a request. And it ends with a full stop. For example, carry the dishes to the sink. Probably your mom telling you to do that, to clear the table. B. Remember to finish your homework or assignments. The teacher is reminding you what you need to do. 3. Please keep safe. All these sentences are telling you something that you need to do. Could be a command or a request, making them imperative sentences. 3. Interrogative sentences. These are sentences that will ask a question, and they will always end with a question mark. For example, what happened to Mr. Monroe at the end of the story? It is a question ending with a question mark. Do you like reading? Please answer me. Lastly, the lapdog's agency, how may I help you? Probably somebody answering a telephone call, and it ends with a question mark. Number 4, and the last one, exclamatory sentences. Now, these are sentences that express strong feelings, and they always end with an exclamation mark. This is an exclamation mark, we already know. For example, don't just perch there. Or, what an amazing student. Don't forget to put the exclamation mark to show that it is an exclamatory sentence. Now, remember, every time you need to find a declarative sentence, you will need to find if it is giving you a statement. Then you will know it is a declarative sentence. If it is an imperative sentence, remember it has a command or a request. If it is an interrogative sentence, it has a question and it ends with a question mark. Exclamatory sentence, it has an exclamation mark at the end. Your keywords will be statement, question, command, exclamation. I hope you know how you will use them well. That is the end of the lesson today. You will find your activity in a worksheet attached. Thank you.